What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda, and welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. You see it in the title. It's a little something different. We are gonna have well, let me just tell you how I came about this. I was scrolling through TikTok. Y'all know TikTok always make us do stuff. So TikTok, it was a video of a taco hot dog. So I said, that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna try that, but I gotta put my own spin on it. So the spin that I'm gonna put on it is, instead of making like the ground beef that's added to it, I'm actually gonna just do the Wolf brand chili that you see there. So here are the ingredients. You got brioche buns. You have brioche buns right there. And then we've got some shredded lettuce. Y'all know I don't really care for this kind of lettuce, but that is what it calls for, so that's what we'll use. We got some jumbo beef franks. That is the Nathan's beef franks. Some red chili, no beans, a red onion, and I'm going to cut up a little tomatoes. Alright? Come back and tell you guys about a very important ingredient, the melted nacho cheese. So in the video, in the TikTok video, there was ground beef, and I'm assuming that there was taco seasoning on it, and then there was, your bun, your lettuce, your hot dog, your meat, melted cheese, and she will put a little bit of shredded cheese on there, and then some tomatoes and red onion. So we're gonna try to duplicate that G-Squad style. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we've got our tomatoes that have been de-seeded and cut up into like chunks, like tacos, like what you put your throwing your tacos. And then I've got some chopped up red onions right here. Y'all know I love onions up in this house. And then I've got my Nathan's jumbo beef franks over here. And I have my oven, not my oven, my stove on, because we're going to put these hot dogs. I have my chili in the microwave. So we have our hot dogs in the skillet here, and that's just like on a medium heat. And I'm just trying to get some color on. That's all. Notice there, I want to get like a blistering color. Please zoom in so y'all can see what I'm talking about. There, this back one back there. Let me just put that one. Now see that little blistering? That's what I'm trying to look for. That's what I'm looking for. Just for that little blister this chili cheese taco dog together. Put a little bit of lettuce on the bottom of the bun. Two for me, two for the husband. Little or as much of these ingredients. Our melted cheese. Then again, we just took some out of the jar and melted it. And not melted it, but heated it up in the microwave. That is a money shot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. I can't wait. Can you wait, babe? You can? Well, I can't. Well, I don't. Never mind. Let me just go on and put the tomatoes. Husband don't like a lot of tomatoes, so he said he gonna eat them tonight. He eating them tonight. And then we're going on with our red onions. It was almost a goner. I caught it. He thought he wasn't gonna be part of the party, but he was. Tomatoes. Now, if you don't like onions, skip out on it. But we love onions, so. There is our chili cheese taco hot dogs. Chili, what did I call them? Chili cheese taco dogs. Looky. Okay, now, y'all know I tell y'all the truth now. Next time, I probably will do it with, thank you, with just the hamburger meat, because it's a tad bit on the salty side. It's a tad bit because you got the cheese, the chili packs so much punch, and then you have the hot dog. And y'all, I ate my blessing, so amen. I ate it, so I had to go back and get it. So we're just eating this with some chips, and so husband is gonna take his bite, and I'm gonna flip the camera on him. And we got some juice right here in our cups, and I'm gonna flip the camera on him. Hold on 1 second, let me get at him. There he is.
How y'all doing tonight?
And you gonna be bougie and eat yours with a fork? Y'all, normally it's me. I got a fork, but for the camera I had to take a bite. So
for the camera, I'm taking my bite too.
It tastes very good. It's different with that lettuce on there.
That's something very good.
It's different, but it's good.
I like that taste. And that cheese and them onions. Y'all know I love onions. I know my wife told you I love onions. And I keep a bunch of peppermints. So I'll be all right after I eat these onions.
Mmm.
Yes. Y'all know I don't like tomatoes, but you know I eat them sometimes. And it's a very good meal.
It adds like some freshness, the tomato do.
Yeah.
I just had a bite with some tomato on it, and it adds a little bit of freshness to it. So, y'all, me and husband gonna sit here, have our dinner, chit chat, and we're gonna see y'all on the next episode of
Hey, y'all have a blessed night.
And have a blessed night. Bye, y'all.
Side